Morning everybody, my name is Nasywan, and in this video I will demonstrate to you how to remove safely and properly your gloves, your gown, eye protection and also your mask. So first and foremost, we need to understand what this PPE stands for. So PPE actually stands for Personal Protective Equipment. PPE or Personal Protective Equipment consists of your gloves, your face mask, your goggles and also your gown. In this video, I will demonstrate you how to discard them properly. So in this video, as you can see, I'm wearing gloves, but my gloves are made out of plastic. This is for educational purposes because I do not have any gloves that are made out of latex. In hospitals, normally they use gloves that are made out of that kind of materials. For those who are allergic with latex, sometimes they use gloves that are made out of different materials, like for example vinyl. So the first thing that you need to know when you want to remove the gloves, do not touch any places that are not protected or simply touching anywhere. You want to reduce them. You want to prevent yourself from touching every places just so that you can reduce the possibility of transferring the disease to different places or any pathogenic microbes, potential pathogenic microbes on your gloves. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to use your hand and pinch on the part of gloves that is located on your wrist, and from there slowly pull it downwards while exposing the interior part of the gloves like this. After that, use your other hand to basically to mush it into your palm. Alright, after that your other hand which is not wearing gloves, you must place it underneath or underneath the gloves and start pulling it inside. Once you got in, start pulling and pushing it downwards, exposing the interior part of the glove, and then you remove it and then you can safely discard it. After you remove your glove, you must wash your hand. In this picture, you can see the 3 steps of removing your gown. Unfortunately, I do not have one, so I have to rely on this picture. So the first step that you have to do is you need to remove any straps that you can that is available on your body. This is on the left picture. Afterwards, you need to pull your gown forward and make sure that the interior part of your gown is exposed. Finally, roll your gown and dispose it correctly. The next thing that you need to do after you wash your hands is you need to remove your face mask or goggles or any facial protection that you have. The first thing is to look at what type of facial mask that you use. Like for me, I'm using this type of face mask. So when I want to remove it, I must not touch the face mask with my bare hands. Instead, I must hold it from the sides. Hold it on the straps of my face mask and remove it properly. And then I should discard it correctly. After you have removed your facial protection, the next thing that you need to remove is your mask. And again, the same process, the same step. You must not hold the mask with your hand. This is completely wrong. What you have to do is you need to look at the straps that is placed on your head, and you have to hold and remove the mask by holding that place. For me, I'm wearing this type of mask, the one that is strapped around my ears. So what I have to do is I have to hold it here with the straps of this mask and remove it properly, and then discard it. After you've disposed your mask, clean your hand once again, but this time use an alcohol-based cleaner. Normally in hospital facilities, this type of station can be found almost anywhere.